Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about a sensitive topic, fraud NRI marriages. Well, those who live in India, they do understand that there is a craze of residents in India to marry someone who is settled abroad. And like when it comes to marriage frauds from NRIs, both boys and girls get victimized. I mean, both bride and grooms get victimized. But the section I'm gonna cover today, it's about grooms, like how grooms are defrauding innocent girls in India, and how to protect yourself, your family, your relative, whoever. First of all, guys, anything that is too good to be true, it is. You understand, right? So what happens in these cases, like there could be many various kinds of frauds here. First is like somebody who pretends to be doing a job in a different country, let's say Australia, Canada, but that's not the job profile they are doing. Okay, so they lie about it in order to get good dowry money and other things, although dowry is illegal, but we know how it is being practiced. So this is the first case. Second thing is the guy is already married here in abroad and still wants to bring a girl over here so that she can work as a domestic help. This may sound funny to you, but this is a reality too. Then it may happen that he doesn't have any intention to bring the girl all together, and he's just gonna marry, and then after few days, while citing certain reasons or promising filing visa after coming over here, they can vanish. It happens. Like there are so many cases that I see in India. So few things are required to be understood before finalizing marriage. First of all, never trust what someone says, be it third party or anything. Second thing is like do your due diligence. Like if a marriage party is coming to you and saying then they are doing this job, do not go for hush hush wedding. Never go for hush hush wedding. You don't know the possible outcome. So in order to protect, first do thorough investigation. If that guy has a family over there, investigate. Like in India nowadays, doing such investigation is very easy to find out any past misconduct, misdoing, wrongdoing by hiring private detective agencies. You can always inquire, also inquire in the society, from relatives, from friends, from neighbors. It's not something difficult anymore nowadays. Okay, then the groom you're gonna get your daughter marry, get all his details, be his passport. Now when it comes to passport, there could be two situations. First of all, guy is still an Indian citizen. In that case, he's called NRI, or he may be an OCI, where he has acquired foreign citizenship and gained this OCI status. So in both the cases, at least one document is Indian, right? When he has his passport Indian, that's an Indian passport. If he has an OCI status, then that OCI document in Indian passport, and that can be verified. Okay, you can have background check agencies who can verify this. Moreover, if the guy claims that he lives in this address, use Google Maps to find out if that address really exists or not. That's the first step. Second thing that you do is like nowadays the private detective agencies are around the world. Okay, so let's say somebody says who he lives at this address in Canada. So go to Google, put that address, and find nearby private detective agencies. They may ask you a fee, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So contact any nearby private detective agency, third party, share his details, find out and tell them to verify everything, starting from their employment, residency status, any police case, anything, like whatever qualities you search for. Find out everything. Find out the property he says he owns, actually he owns or not. Do your due diligence, because because once you send your daughter, it's your responsibility to protect her. Now when you are sending your daughter here, few things she should remember, like uh, if you have any local contact here, any friend, any relative, tell them to look after her if required. If required, definitely there's a clause. She should remember some phone numbers, some emergency phone numbers, like emergency phone number of nearby Indian consulate, embassy. She should remember her passport details, passport number, expiry date, and other things. She should also remember phone numbers of any local contact that you have. And moreover, one more thing you should do is, like nowadays you can even open bank accounts in other countries. Like in Canada, people open GIC account, students, to come over and study. So similarly, you can open a saving account for your daughter, deposit some emergency funds over there, and it should be only in her name. Okay, so that in case a situation arrives, she can get access to some quick money. uh, Moreover, if whichever country she is going, USA, Canada, Australia, or somewhere, you should educate her about some common some laws over there that she must be aware of for her own protection. Like, lot of times what happens, like if your daughter doesn't have knowledge about laws, she can be threatened that we will do this, and she would stay silent. So in order to avoid this situation, educate her on the laws. Everything is online, it can be studied easily. And what are her rights, what are her responsibilities, and the procedures in case of adverse situation. I'm not saying that adverse situation will come in your case, but this should happen next. Now this is something you're going to do at this level, but at the other level, like when your marriage is getting fixed with someone, after you have done all the verification, try to shout out as much as possible. Like uh, whatever pictures you have, post them on social media, get as many like, comment, share as possible, inform as many people as possible, because it's world of social media. The more you advertise it, more people will come to know. So if that guy has done any wrongdoing, or is there any loophole, it is possible that somebody will identify and inform you. Okay, and moreover, this will also make your case public, like known to so many people, that yeah, this marriage is going on, everything. And whatever messages, chats, and all have been exchanged, do not delete them, keep it with you. That is really very important. It is not only required for your safety, but even for visa process it is being asked. Then do not have any unrealistic expectation. When, for example, if you are marrying to a Canadian citizen, okay, then you should be aware of the processing time it takes to file the application and get it processed. So this kind of information you can verify on the official immigration website itself. So that is really very useful and helpful. So social media, as I said, use it. Using social media, you can also verify a lot of information about that guy. Use Google reverse photo search to find out anything that is tagged with the photo that may turn out to be useful for you. So these are certain steps, I would say. Again, it's not mandatory that whatever steps I would say are the only steps you should take. Case by case, there could be other steps as well. And it's not also that whatever steps I have said can protect every case. May not be, but at least you can do this to protect up to a certain extent. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you.